Imagine being able to build your future in the United States and bring the people you love the most along with you. For many immigrants, this isn't just a dream, it's a life-changing journey made possible through the family-based green card process. Today, we're breaking down how you can bring your loved ones to America step by step in the simplest and most professional way so you know exactly what to expect and how to get started. When families are separated across borders, the process of reunification becomes more than a legal step, it becomes an emotional mission. The U.S. immigration system recognizes this, which is why a major portion of green cards issued every year goes to family members of U.S. citizens and lawful permanent residents. But even though the system exists to help, the rules can sometimes feel overwhelming. That's why in this video, we'll guide you through who qualifies, what the timeline looks like, and how to avoid the biggest mistakes applicants usually make. The family-based green card works through two main categories. The first category is immediate relatives of U.S. citizens, which includes spouses, unmarried children under 21, and parents of U.S. citizens who are at least 21 years old. This category is the fastest because there is no annual visa limit, meaning once your petition is approved, you move directly to the next step. This is why many people refer to it as one of the most straightforward ways to obtain permanent residency in the United States. The second category is the family preference system, which includes adult children of U.S. citizens, siblings of U.S. citizens, and spouses or unmarried children of green card holders. These categories do have annual visa limits, which means waiting times can stretch from a few months to even several years depending on the country of birth and the type of relationship. Countries with high demand, such as India, China, Mexico, and the Philippines, tend to experience the longest backlogs. Understanding where your family member fits in these categories is crucial because it determines how long the overall process might take. The first official step in bringing a family member to the U.S. is filing Form I-130, the Petition for Alien Relative. This form establishes your relationship and shows USCIS that the connection is genuine. You provide documents like birth certificates, marriage certificates, and sometimes proof of shared financial responsibility or photographs to demonstrate the authenticity of your bond. Once the I-130 is approved, your loved one can move forward to the next phase, which depends on whether they are inside or outside the United States. If your family member is already in the U.S. legally, they may be able to adjust status by filing Form I-485. This allows them to stay in the country while their green card application is processed. If they are outside the U.S., they will go through consular processing at a U.S. embassy or consulate. During this stage, they'll submit documents, complete a medical exam, and attend an interview to verify their eligibility. Many applicants find the interview intimidating, but as long as the relationship is real and the paperwork is accurate, the process is generally smooth. One of the most important elements of a family-based green card case is the affidavit of support, filed using Form I-864. As the sponsoring family member, you must show that you have enough financial stability to support your relative for a period of time. This requirement exists to prevent new immigrants from becoming dependent on government assistance. If your income is not high enough, you can use a joint sponsor, which is a common way to overcome this obstacle. During the process, patience becomes a major part of the journey. Even immediate relative cases, which are the fastest, can take several months to complete. For preference category applicants, the waiting time varies based on the visa bulletin updates, which are released monthly. Keeping an eye on these updates helps you understand where your case stands in the overall queue. Unfortunately, many applicants delay their case simply because they don't monitor the bulletin or submit documents late. Staying organized and proactive can save months of unnecessary waiting. Another challenge applicants face is incomplete or inconsistent documentation. Even small mistakes like mismatched names, missing translations, or incorrect signatures can lead to delays or even denials. Reviewing your forms carefully or seeking professional assistance when needed can significantly improve your chances of success. Immigration is a major life step, and accuracy matters. Bringing your loved ones to America is not just a legal process, it's an emotional milestone. Whether you're applying for a spouse, a child, a parent, or a sibling, what lies at the heart of this journey is the desire to reunite and build a life together. Every year, thousands of families achieve this dream through the family-based green card system. It may feel long, it may feel complicated at times, but the result is worth every step. As you move forward, remember that the process begins with one simple decision: taking action. Starting early, staying informed, and keeping your documents organized can help you navigate the path with confidence. The goal is clear: to bring your loved ones closer, to create new memories, and to build a future where your family isn't separated by borders. And this is your guide to understanding the family-based green card and how you can reunite with the people who matter most. If you're planning to file soon or simply exploring your options, take the time to learn the process, prepare your documents, and move forward with confidence. Your family's new chapter in America could be closer than you think.